Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the thrust spacer in your washer. The reason why you might have to do this is because your agitator isn't agitating, or the top part of the agitator isn't spinning, or seems to be slipping. For this repair, we'll be using a flathead screwdriver and a ratchet with a long extension and 7/16 socket. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is our washer here. It's a KitchenAid, and this is what we're going to use for our repairs. Keep in mind yours might be a little bit different at home, but the same techniques should still apply. So the first thing we're going to do is open up our washer. To get to our thrust spacer, it's going to be inside the agitator here. So we're going to have to remove this cap first. Let's stick the screwdriver underneath it. Just pry it up. And remove that. Now we have to get that cap out. So we'll just pull up that cap. Now we're going to take our ratchet with our 7/16 socket on it. We're going to remove that inner screw. Once your screw is loose enough, you can just pull up on the top part of the agitator. We don't have to remove the whole thing. This is going to be our thrust spacer right here. So we'll take off the old one. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement thrust spacer. If you don't have one already, you can find one on an online store. What we're going to do is line up these grooves here with those notches. That slides right on. And now we can put the top part of our agitator back on. And it'll rest down there. And I'm just going to make sure that the inner parts are sitting down all the way. Now I can grab our 7/16 socket and tighten that down again. Okay. Now that that's tight, we'll put our inner cap back in. Straighten that out a little bit. There we go. And now we can put the agitator cap on top. Just snap that down into place. Close the door, and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.